Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a DIY mask, rosemary, but big up yourself. And basically these are the four products you're going to need: sugar, an oil of your choice, lemon or lemon juice, and essential oils. I'm going to use rosemary. So let's just get into this video. Like, comment and subscribe. So you're going to need 3 cups of sugar into a bowl, just to measure, and then you're going to transfer it into your blender. You're also going to need a cup of lemon juice, yes, and then a cup of coconut oil, and get your essential oils, like 5 to 6 drops of that, and then we are going to put it in the blender. So that's it, your DIY exfoliating scrub, rosemary style. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.